Croeso nôl pawb, dyn ni nôl yma am Marca Scarlets. We are back in Parc Scarlets and Cardiff are in town. Scarlets' first East versus West derby. How do you think we'll fare in the rain? Let's find out.
Hopefully 24-16 to Scarlets.
17-30 to Cardiff.
35-10.
I think Scarlets are going to win by 20 points.
Come on, Scarlet!
Come on, Scarlet!
Yeah, obviously happy with the win. Great to get the 5 points in the end of the day. For us to get the win tonight will be huge for those young boys.
Well, in the game, hanner, boys. What an absolutely nail-biting end that was to that game. Scarlets 31, Cardiff 25. I'm so excited. We'll see you next home game, tro nesa, here at Parc Scarlets against the Lions. See you there. Come on, Scarlets!